Every year, Apple promises something new and exciting with its Pro Max iPhones. But the question is, are we really getting big changes or just small upgrades? Today, we're putting the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max head-to-head with last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max. We'll test design, display, performance, cameras, battery, and AI features side by side. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly if it's worth upgrading, or if your iPhone 16 Pro Max is still the smarter pick. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Sturdy titanium build, flat edges, premium feel, but some users found it slightly heavy after long use. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Still titanium, but this year Apple refined the alloy, making it lighter in hand while keeping durability. Bezels. The 16 Pro Max already had thin bezels, but the 17 trims them even more, giving a cleaner, almost borderless look. 16 Pro Max, 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED, ProMotion 120Hz HDR with up to 2000 nits brightness. 17 Pro Max, same size, same ProMotion, but brightness goes up to 2500 nits. This makes a difference outdoors in direct sunlight. Efficiency. The 17 uses a slightly improved LTPO panel, which means smoother transitions from 1 Hz to 120 Hz while saving battery. For content, watching HDR movies or YouTube looks almost the same, but the 17 holds color accuracy better in high brightness. But the iPhone 17 Pro Max wins for brightness and efficiency. 16 Pro Max runs on Apple's A18 Pro chip, still blazing fast. Gaming, editing, multitasking, zero issues. 17 Pro Max. New A19 Pro with AI-focused cores and improved GPU. On paper, 20% faster. Real-world app opening, barely noticeable difference. Gaming, in longer sessions like PUBG, COD, or Genshin Impact, the 17 Pro Max runs cooler and maintains higher FPS. Editing, exporting 4K video is faster by a few seconds. So the 17 is clearly stronger, but the A18 Pro is already so powerful that most users won't feel it day to day. 16 Pro Max, 48 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, 5x zoom on Pro Max. Already excellent. 17 Pro Max, upgraded 48 megapixel main sensor, larger and better at low light, plus smarter AI image processing. Daylight photos, both look great, almost identical. Low light shots, the 17 Pro Max captures more detail, less noise. Zoom, at 5x, the 17 looks slightly sharper, especially in portraits. Video, this is where the 17 Pro Max shines. New AI stabilization makes handheld footage look much smoother. For vloggers, this is a big deal. If you shoot photos casually, 16 Pro Max is fine. If you vlog, record reels, or love night photography, the 17 Pro Max camera upgrade is worth it. 16 Pro Max, already one of the best iPhones for battery life, around 8 to 9 hours screen on time. 17 Pro Max, slightly bigger battery plus more efficient chip equals about 1 extra hour on average. Charging, both support approximately 30 watts wired and MagSafe wireless. No major change here. New feature, Smart Charging Optimization 2.0 on iPhone 17 Pro Max. It learns your usage patterns to reduce long-term battery wear. Not a huge upgrade, but the 17 Pro Max will last just a bit longer in daily use. 16 Pro Max runs iOS 19, gets most new features, but AI tools are limited because of chip capability. 17 Pro Max. Apple is pushing AI hard. Exclusive features like AI-powered photo editing, real-time voice translation, smarter Siri that can understand and respond in context better. For casual use, both feel the same. But for productivity and AI workflows, the 17 has a clear advantage. If AI is the future, the 17 Pro Max is ready for it. The 16 Pro Max feels like a step behind in this department. So which one should you buy? iPhone 16 Pro Max. Still an absolute beast. Premium design, powerful A18 Pro chip, excellent cameras, and great battery life. iPhone 17 Pro Max, refined design, brighter display, better low-light camera, longer battery, and most importantly, exclusive AI features. If you already own the iPhone 16 Pro Max, upgrading isn't necessary unless you care about AI tools or content creation. But if you're buying fresh, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is clearly the smarter, more future-proof choice.